The 2024 AMA Motorcycle Hall of Fame voting or class of 24, whatever you want to call it, is out today. And that guy right there, Kevin Windham, is on it and should be an absolute shoo-in. With 47 overall pro wins, 130 podiums, 325 starts. You gotta say, just this is a guy who should be an absolute no-brainer for just first ballot, easy, whatever, gone. And if you remember, like he retired around what 2013, I think, if I remember, if I'm correct, or correct me if I'm wrong, whatever. After that, he started doing these big, or not after, he started doing these big transfer jumps at the beginning of Supercross races. And that was right when I started getting into Supercross. So that's what I was like getting into. It was like, oh, this is awesome. They do these super big, 120, 130 foot, whatever it was, transfer jumps before the races. And it was like a cool beginning to the night. It was a big hype thing, like, it was a good start to what you would consider like a Supercross race. Big jump, lots of hype, flames in the background, music going, and it's just to me that was cool. Like that was just one of those things you see a guy do that, jump across something that wasn't technically made to be do that, and I could be wrong. Like, if he was going to be doing it every single week, I'm assuming the Dirtworks crew or whoever was doing it at that point probably was making some, hey, you can jump from here to here, we'll do a lip for you and we'll make it work, because otherwise it'd be a little sketchy. But I think it was awesome. And I wish something like that would happen again. Have a guy do something like that, even if it was just like an FMX guy, not one of the racers, because I highly doubt that they would risk it at this point. But I think it's cool. I think it would be something to bring back, and it'd be a cool little, like, you know, hype thing in the beginning. I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me. Were you around for Wyndham? Did you like him when he was racing? Did you ever go and actually get to see one of his transfer jumps? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who's gonna win motocross? 250, 450, whatever it is. It's starting soon, so we're on topic there. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.